We should be live. Everything should be working. Make sure pull this down. Yeah, it's working. Alright. Well, let's see what is going on. Blood Diamond looks like we've rejected here off this daily. Blood Diamond on the 10-minute. Double Blood Diamond on the 20-minute. Got to go. Drive safe. You just getting your hair cut? You don't get it done? Just get it cut.
No, dyeing would be like 200. My hair's...
Go on, get it.
No. No, I'm just gonna get it cut, just get some of this dead shit taken off and give it some sort of shape. I hope they don't fuck it up.
I'll sue them if they do.
That's the only thing I'm worried. At least I'll have a month to like grow it out.
I love you. Drive safe, baby.
Alright.
Bye. Hopefully I don't lose all your money. I make it, but it's all yours. Nah, I give you what? You get a little allowance. We're live. Yeah, everyone knows you get an allowance now. I only give her, like, how much you got? $5? $10? I love you. Yeah, stay away from myself. Back to what's going on here. What is going on here? We got 20 minutes. Red dot on the 20-minute. The money flow is climbing. It is climbing. I'm really waiting to see if we're gonna break this range we're in between the daily and this 186. We got that Q2 Vwap acting as resistance. Either we're gonna break to the upside and claim this as support, we're gonna lose the 186 and probably test this spider line in this year to date between 101K. Yeah, gotta turn my phone on silent. Alright. Oh yeah, turn it on silent. So this will stop happening. Surely. One more shot. Oh, we got the blood diamond on the 15-minute as well. Just 3 minutes to go. Looking kind of bearish. The money flow is still draining out on the 5-minute. Red dot on the 30-minute. Money flow coming out. Still rising though. Still on the rise, even though she's declining now. She's still rising to the upside. And price is sucking up. As long as it'd be strong if price does come all the way up here like it's doing now on this red dot, and we open higher than we did. Looks like we're trying to put in some sort of bottom here. This 4 hour has already been rejected a couple of times off this zero line. It's getting ready to come up and try again. Trying to put in some sort of bottom here. I think there's a green dot on the 2 hour. But you see where price is on the green dot, same as that 30-minute. I'd rather see price a little bit higher. I don't want to see it dropping down here. Now if it wicks down there, that's fine. We still got 1 hour and 16 minutes. We could see this candle turn green in the next 1 hour and 16. Question is though, is this gonna bounce off the zero line and we see it continue to the upside? Or is it gonna cross over, give us that red dot? And more than likely more moves to the downside. We're ready to pinch a green dot here on the 5-minute. We're gonna have to get above this daily though. It's also running with that Q2 Vwap there. As of right now, just strong resistance. Some nice bull dibs there. She's trying to pump back up to that daily Vwap. Right here, I thought that was that money flow was gonna come in and we see her come above it. Money flow is back on the rise. Yeah, as soon as we came down and tagged this and held it as support, we've just been ranging between this daily and this, what is it, 786? Trying to wait to see which way we're gonna break. I guess we could just trade the lows and the highs. But that is still a good move. This is 5 minutes. Yeah, she's trying to get up there. Let's see what some of these other coins look like. Yeah, see, that looks good. See how high the price is on this red dot?
The NFL is back, and FanDuel's got everything you need to play your game, from same-game parlays to live.
Yeah, it looks good on these. Price is pumping up on a red dot. That's a sign of strength. What is that, the daily? Trying to come above the daily here. Money flows rising. You can see a curve. Price continues the way it's going. I could definitely see a curve and a little bounce off this zero line. money flow has come out. Curve to the downside on the 1 hour. Same curve on this Aster here. That looks like a nice little candle on Fartcoin. I wonder if it's gonna reclaim its daily. It tried to, but could not hold on. 30-minute does not look that great. Prices showing strength on the candle. Money flows on the decline on the 1 hour. Still in runaway train mode. Same as Bitcoin. Bitcoin on this higher time frames. These higher time frames still in runaway train mode. Well below the 60 and 50 lines down here. There's a green dot. She's trying to get up there. See what that 5 minute did. Money flow wants to come in, but man, she's trying so hard. If we can get above the daily, let's see. Yeah, I wouldn't take that actually. The move would have been down here. See, that was the move. Missed it. Right there at support. Some good bullish divergences there. Money flow curving to the upside. And really, that was the price in. So yeah, that's a 3-to-1. That was the move. There she went. Back to some of these others. Yeah, it looks like we're still just projecting off this daily so far. Oh, Solana. Daily still acting as resistance. Seems like a pretty tough resistance, damn. Runaway train mode still. Money flow curving to the upside. It is high though. Not a sign of strength on this what seems to be a green dot pinching right here. Not a sign of strength on this candle. Everything's just getting rejected off the daily Vwap so far.
This message is brought to you by
Oh my
Apple
god, dude.
Each Apple product,
How many fucking ads? I'm not paying for the fucking subscription. You can kiss my ass. Everything wants subscription. Can't own anything anymore. Can't even own your freaking video games. You just own the right to play them. What kind of shit is that? Yeah, not a sign of strength on this 10-minute. What are we on? Back to Bitcoin? Yeah, look at this on Bit Unix here. Price is literally at the bottom of the candle on a green dot. Not a good sign of strength here. Wow. Let's see about it. 2 minutes. Oh shit, the hour is about to reset too. What time is it? 10 o'clock. I'm gonna have to get off before too long. Just rejecting off the daily. See what this 1 hour does. Seems like a strong hike in the sheet candle to the downside. I still see a curve on this Vwap though. Still see that curve on the Vwap, but looking at the momentum waves, it makes sense we get another red dot soon. But we could see strength on that red dot. The same way we saw the lack of strength on this 10-minute candle, and would you look at that, it was followed immediately with a red dot, or what is soon to be a red dot with this Vwap crossing over. It wasn't didn't show strong signs of strength on that candle, even though it was getting the green dot. That's another thing. If you're new to market cipher, if you see a green dot, it doesn't mean just long. You know what I mean? There's different things you want to take into consideration. Like that green dot, even though we was pumping, we saw a price come all the way back down, and even on that green dot, and it opened. But now let's wait and see. It's a rough market open. Just up and down, a bunch of indecisive movements here. I'm trying to read this. That's a good move. Oh yeah, that's a damn good move. Oh, I hope Price does something in the next fucking 20, 30 minutes. Cause I'm about to have to go fucking lay down. Looks like the Vwap's curving up. Money flows coming in on the 5 minute. Starting to come up on the 10 minute as well. I'd really like to get back above the daily before I take anything, unless money flow is coming in and we're still underneath it, but we could see signs of strength underneath the daily Vwap. I'd love to take the trade to long under the daily Vwap to get above it. But with how I'm feeling right now, I'd probably like to see it. I wouldn't even front run the confirmation of support, because that's really the core to the strategy. Is once price comes up above the Vwap, you like to see it confirm it as support and continue. But sometimes it doesn't do that. Sometimes it just fucking goes, right? But really, the safest, your safest bet would be confirming it as support. But I may not do that. I may go against my rules. As long as I got everything else with money flow coming in, we got some green dots, bullish looking higher time frames. I might go ahead and just front run it. But I would love to see us above the daily. Like, just let us get above it. and have money flow come in. RSIs are capped here on the 10-minute. I wonder what they look like at the 1 hour. They're running pretty close together. Yeah, getting a nice curve to the upside on the 1 hour. Money flow is coming in, showing signs of strength on this candle. It's going to be key. Trying to break this range. Can't take anything until I break the range. Either to the upside or to the downside. One hour still has a nice curve to the upside here. Money flows coming in, coming up. She keeps trying to get up to this daily Vwap, but we can't quite get above her yet. What is ETH doing? Pretty much same as Bitcoin, struggling to get above the daily here. Money flows coming straight down on the H bar is dumping. What was it down big? Ada, Sui. More than 4 or 5%. God damn. I wouldn't be surprised to see this guy. I get candle wicked. Holy cow. And this thing, I don't even know what it is. It's down 10%. One of them old shitters. Rejected right out that 5-day. At the 30-minute. 10-minute. Yeah, this thing down big. Has it been lower? It has been lower. What's the bottom here? Okay. Damn. Took a little nosedive. We got some, what is that, a monthly Vwap? Yeah, previous monthly. %. And if she kept coming down to this low down here, fucking 54%, jeez. Like I said, I don't even know what that is. Just looking at these numbers over here, what's down? Like H bar, it's down. Ada. Support resistance flip at the moment. That has to be whenever Bitcoin crashed. Jeez, man, I see why so many people lost so much. If that's like, yeah, that's it. Cause there's one of these wicks on almost everything I looked at. One of these little shitter coins I looked at. Yeah. No wonder so many lost so much. What is this, Pepe? That may not be a bad little move if money flow can come in on this 10-minute above this daily. %4 move. What would it be? A little long? We'll say we'll just hit it at the daily. That's a nice little 2-to-1. We could try that. Potential curve, still in runaway train mode. A lot of the coins, including Bitcoin, still in runaway train mode here. Let's go back to the old Bitcoin. What's she doing? Pumping up a little bit. Trying to get above this daily. We might have a long opportunity. I have to wait and see. I'm about to have to get off here. 5-minute money flow is coming in. Trying to get above the daily. Blue triangle, green dot. Potential long opportunity. Back to the weekly. Macro support resistance flips perhaps. Or just to the previous day and back down. Should still be a decent move though. Almost a 2%. Yeah, I can get some out of that. What would it be? Where would my stop loss? Let's see. Let's set her up. I'll leave a little bit on it. Let's see what this one is. Probably not worth it. Probably not worth it at that. 1.4. It'd be worth it at that stop loss, but I'd rather have that stop loss, honestly. Still not a bad one though. Just gotta get above that daily Vwap. Alright, well I think that's gonna do it for me. I'm just waiting to see if we're gonna break these ranges. Either we're gonna break to the upside and get above the daily, or we're gonna break to the downside and lose this 786. But until we do either one of those, I'm just gonna sit back and wait. Hope everyone has a great day. Thanks for tuning in.